wish I knew. I wish I knew the risks associated when I started a startup, when I became, a part of one. I wish I had left sooner. And I wish I treated it like dating. Don't stay for the potential. Stay based on the facts and what you see consistently.
Right. Don't be listening to what they hear. Listen to their actions.
Listen.
Okay? That is a dating tip. This is
honestly,
not a dating podcast, but listen,
really,
too many of us get caught up listening to what they say.
What are you doing?
Need to be watching their action.
We're not doing startup businesses or startup men.
Oh, startup men? Girl, they about to come for you?
They're about to come for me.
They about to come for
Whatever. That's for your 20s.